So I had the taste for lemon pepper chicken wings. I did not want to go and buy them. I wanted to make them, and this recipe was too good not to share. So I'm going to tell you how I made these, and they were very, very easy. I'm using just under 3.5 pounds of chicken wings. Okay, so I bought a pack of chicken, and I'm just going to separate the legs from the flats. Clean it in my sink. You can clean your chicken however you want to do it, or if you don't clean your chicken, hey, it's up to you. It's your food. You make it, however you like. Okay, so I've added about a tablespoon of canola oil. Make sure that you pat dry your chicken if you clean it. Okay, so I've added a tablespoon of canola oil, and this will help these seasonings to spread more easily within the chicken. Okay, so you can find the written out measurements down below in the description box of this video. So make sure you get the recipe. Okay, so all of those seasonings were salt free minus the salt, because the salt is salt. Okay, so yeah, just had to mention that. So after you add your seasonings, now just go ahead and mix it all together. If you want to let this marinate, it's up to you. It will taste better if you let it marinate, but if you don't have time, you can still make this without letting it marinate. So I've also added cornstarch. Cornstarch is going to help the chicken skin to get crispier. Okay, so if you have cornstarch handy, use it. If you do not have cornstarch, don't worry about it. You can still make this without it and, have crispy skin. So I'm going to bake this in my oven. I'm not frying anything because, listen, oil, I just don't feel like dealing with it. I'm going to bake these in the oven. I'm using foil for easy cleanup. You can use parchment paper if you prefer. Okay, now I'm just going to add my baking rack on top of the baking sheet. I've sprayed some cooking spray just to, help that chicken not stick. I don't want the chicken sticking to the baking sheet, and it will happen, or it can happen. So use some cooking spray if you have it. So after you spread your chicken on top, you want to pop this inside of a preheated 400-degree oven. Let this bake for 45 minutes to an hour. Make sure you monitor your chicken. Don't do like I did. I forgot that I had my chicken in the oven, and it did burn a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay. So you want to bake this for 45 minutes to an hour, and let it cool off or whatever. So now let's start on the butter sauce. I'm using 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. To this, I've added my salt-free lemon pepper seasoning. I added too much pepper, so be careful with the pepper. I overdid it just a little bit. Okay, and I've added fresh lemon juice and salt. Again, all of the measurements will be down below. So after you give this a good mix, now you can baste the butter sauce all over the chicken, just like this. You do not have to put this back in the oven. All you need to do is just serve it on a plate and eat it. Or if you want to eat it off of the basting plate, you can do that too. But this was really good. I hope that you guys will try this recipe. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And I hope to catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.